If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, watch this video because I'm gonna show you something that I would do totally different if I was starting today versus way back then. Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you've already started and you're wondering what do I do now and how do I get this thing to grow, I'm gonna cover about 5 or so things that you need to know exactly how to do them or how to put them in motion so you can start seeing some results on all this time you've been putting in. First things first, everybody talks about, what should I make my channel about? Do I really need to focus on one particular thing or a niche, or should I just do whatever I want to do and watch the channel grow? I will say real quick, years ago, I was just uploading videos to YouTube just to have it kind of as a storage. And one day I actually thought about subscribers and happened to look at it, and it had 243 subscribers. And I was just uploading videos, no tags, no titles, well, maybe a title. It is possible to get subscribers just by just uploading random things. So as far as a niche, you do want to make sure that you are uploading and creating content that you want to upload and that you want the world to see. However, when you really begin to get serious and you're going after the subscribers and the watch time and you want to be able to sell things and gain new features on your channel, one way that you find out what you really want to hone down on or focus in on is by trying different things. When you try a variety of things, at some point something will take off. When something takes off, it's up to you to try and create a spin-off video or something similar to that video. My channel used to be comedy, and I had different comedy videos that I was uploading from TikTok into my YouTube channel. And I noticed that I was getting subscribers from TikTok. Hey, first, second, third, we saw you from TikTok. And so that's what I was doing, was using those same videos to upload to YouTube. One day I decided to create a tutorial video on how to do something that I noticed people didn't really know how to do on TikTok. I made the video, I did some edits to the video, I left it alone, and then I continued to create and upload my comedy videos. One day I decided to go back and scroll and see how my other videos were doing. Out of nowhere, that video had 19,000 views, and I think I wanted to see how my other videos were doing because I was getting more subscribers and I had no idea where they were coming from. So it was a tutorial video that I had made, just random video, and everybody was liking it, commenting, thank you for sharing this. I've been trying to figure this out for the longest. But that's not what my channel was about. My channel was comedy. I wanted to excel in doing comedy videos. And so if you really pay attention to this, what I'm saying to you is it's okay to try this, try that, do this, do that. And hopefully you're passionate about creating all of those types of videos. But at some point, a video or a few will take off. And then it's up to you to decide, okay, do I really want to make my whole channel on things of this or this niche or that niche? And the beauty of it is it's totally up to you. And so that's what I did. If you see my channel is all about YouTube and TikTok tips and tricks and tutorials. And I dive into Facebook and Instagram ever so often. Hey, this is a big one. If you are not using end cards look like this at the end of your video. If you are not using end cards, you are missing out on growing your watch time. At the end of this video, you will see end cards. And at the end of every video that anyone should upload on YouTube, except for YouTube Shorts, you could put probably an end card on a YouTube short, but who wants to do that, right? What if at the end of a TikTok video you saw, boom, watch this next video? It's in the way when you can just scroll to the next video. End cards are a great way to cause people to binge watch your content. If there are no end cards at the end of your video and it just fades out or it stops or it goes to another channel and their video, you're losing a potential audience, or if they haven't already subscribed to your channel, you're losing a potential subscriber because if they watch another one of your videos, now they might want to subscribe. Another thing also is cards, regular cards, inserted inside of each video. So, right now you may have seen a card appear up here showing a topic, and maybe you were bored at this video and you decided to click on that and it took you to something else that you were more interested in. You are keeping people on your channel, watching your videos, gaining watch time, and this is helping you to reach that 4,000 watched hours and 1,000 subscribers. Some of the things that I would do differently is to create the video. Versus when I first started, I was always trying to think of what's going to blow up. If I was starting a YouTube channel today, I would not try and care and think about what's going to blow up, but what do I want to create a video about right now? Create the video, upload it, make the thumbnail, title it, include hashtags that are relevant to the video, go on to the next video, because you never know what's going to blow up. If I review my channel, there are about 15, 20 videos that I had no idea was going to do as well as it did. One of my videos on how to update TikTok on your iPhone, I had no idea that that was going to be my highest, or maybe my second most highest viewed video on my whole channel. Had no idea. But it's one of the most common questions that people are trying to do so that they can have the most recent version of TikTok on their iPhone. They were surprised. It is something that everyone can do. And they thanked me because, man, now I have the most updated version. Now I have new features. So if I could do something differently, I would not sit around and think this video is going to blow up, this one's going to blow up. Okay, let me go ahead and do this one. I wouldn't do that. I would have a list of videos you want to create over maybe a month span, and then next month create another list and take your time and do those videos. Treat this like a job and it will pay off. There are times when I am sitting here and my wife will get a notification that I uploaded a new video, and that video was last month. So I'm seeing that people are getting notifications at random different times, and what that means is every video you create has the potential to reach new subscribers, a new audience. This is why you want to create daily. You want to please your current audience, yes, and what they subscribe to you for, but remember, not all of your 500 or 300 subscribers or even 1,000 subscribers are getting notifications. It's a new audience that you are also acquiring every time you upload a video and you title it right and you tag it right and you fill out the description right so YouTube knows who to push it to. Make sure that you are choosing the best times to post for your audience. YouTube has a feature built in that gives you answers for when most of your subscribers, your current subscribers, are online. I have taken advantage of this feature, and there are times when I won't post during these times, but I will post a video on a Friday because I know, and no matter where you're at, people are usually home on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. You can never go wrong with posting a video on a Friday morning. A Friday morning is always a great time to post a video and gain traction over the weekend, getting you more subscribers, more watch time, more shares and comments. So I have a couple of friends, and sometimes you try to share information with them, but they usually want to try their own thing, and that's fine because I'm not where I want to be right now on my channel, but I keep pushing, I keep pressing. One of the things that I know now that I didn't when I first started and I only had 300 and something subscribers is I was creating a video and I would just make a title on what I thought was a good title. Your title of your video should always be something that someone can search for. Once again, should always be something that someone is searching for. People treat YouTube like Google. They are searching for content to watch, searching for reviews, searching for companies, videos to watch, topics, viral content that they've heard about. They are searching for it. And so if you can imagine whatever it is that you want to create, instead of saying a day on the beach, maybe your video says a day on the beach in San Francisco, summer of 2020. You want to be specific on what people might be searching for. So whatever your topic, genre, whatever your channel is about, when you get ready to create that title, think about how can I turn this title into something that people may be searching for. So when you come up with something that you would say, maybe take out a word or two and replace it with something that someone's going to be searching for. This is how you get your videos to gain views. Something else that I would totally do differently that I did when I first started is making sure that I have a script or somewhat of a script that's gonna help me stay on topic when I'm making my video. Having an outline. For this video, I actually have 5 bullet points that I'm going to stick to, and within each of those bullet points, I have something that I am going to address. This way, it helps me to focus, stay on topic, and make sure that I cover every single thing that I want to cover that's going to be useful for the person who's watching this video. In your editing process, you want to make sure that you are not leaving in a bunch of dead space. You want to make sure that you are chopping that out and bringing, cut out the dead space, bring the video together so that it flows consistently. Why? Because you are up against the attention span of the person watching your video. The attention span of every average viewer is anywhere from 3 to 15 seconds. And if it's just a monotone video or it's just boring, no music is going, no transitions, no effects, no words on the screen, you are going to lose your audience and they will scroll off to the next video. Hey guys, make sure you comment if you would like a part 2. There are a ton of things that I can share with you that would help you in starting your YouTube channel, or if you've already started and you're trying to grow it, let me know if you would like a part 2 in the comments below, or if some of these things are useful for you and they are going to help you. All right, don't be discouraged. You can do this, you can make it happen, but it's gonna take some consistency and it's gonna take some trial and error. And if you're really passionate about it and you like what you create videos about, you'll make it happen. Until next time, I will see you on the next video.